Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Salford University's email account. So let's get started. So to log into your Salford University's email account, what you can do is just open up your browser, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Salford University login email. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page. From here, what you can do is just tap on the second option, which is from Salford University. And now what you can do is just log into your account or just sign into your account by entering your email address and password. Just simply enter your email address and password. After entering your email address and password, what you have to do is just tap on check this option, which is remind me. So by checking this option, what it does is it will remember you whenever you try to log into your account. It will automatically fill your details. So you can check this option if you would like, and after doing that, just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just tap on forgot your password, and by tapping on forgot your password, you can easily reset or recover your account's password by creating a new one. So just create a new password for your account and then come back to this page. So after coming back to this page, you just have to enter the new password that you have created for your account, then tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. And you can also create an account if you don't have one by tapping on register. So just tap on register and just scroll down, and from here you can create your account. So just simply enter your email, your password, and then enter the caption which you can find here, and then enter the code which you will receive. So you can create a new account if you don't have one by tapping on register. So just tap on register, and after tapping on register, just scroll down, and from here you can enter your email, your password, and then confirm that password. After confirming that password, what you have to do is just enter this code which you can find over here. So after entering that code, you just have to tap on register, and after tapping on register, you will receive an email in your email account from which you have to verify your email address. After doing that, you will successfully create your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Salford University's email account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.